probably already know, but I'm Sabine, and I'm just going to be giving you a tour of my house today. I know you've already seen a lot of it, but I just wanted to give you like a comprehensive tour. Maybe with a couple weird backstories too. Let's get started with my room. So this is my bedroom. My bed is really soft and cozy, especially with this fuzzy blanket. The window does make it pretty sunny in here, but I like to look out it. I also have this Among Us drawing that I did. Sometimes I switch out the artwork just to change it up. I also have this little mountain decoration. I think that's pretty much it for my bedroom. Maybe I'll change out of these pajamas. Much better. Now let's go to my living room. So this is my living room. I mostly use this cozy seat when I'm drawing at my desk. I have my iPad, and I also have a microwave and one of my artworks. Up there I also have a bookshelf, a bunch of random books, one of my winter drawings, this little jar from the beach, and a Jar Jar action figure. Icicle insists on putting the Jar Jars in my house. Anyway, I have an easel over here. I like to just paint next to the window. My cozy sofa next to the fireplace. It's not lit right now though. I like my living room. It's kind of my own living room because next I'm going to show you like the whole house living room. That pretty much concludes my part of the house. Oh, here's the family living room. We recently had our living room redone. We used to have a gray sofa and printed walls and a fireplace in the middle. Now our fireplace is over here, with a flower sculpture as artwork, and a little vase of flowers. We also have some Matisse artwork back there. Not real, of course. Hey Sabine, what you doing? Oh, hi. You probably already know my sister Andy. We also have another desk down here that I use for art stuff. The chair's not quite as comfy though. Okay, I think I'm going to move on to the closet now. See you later, Sabine. Bye, Andy. So here's the closet. I've given you an in-depth tour of the closet in a separate video, but I'm just gonna give you a basic overview here. We have two shelf walls with our favorite clothes on display right now. Some racks just for purses. Over here is our desk. Icicle, another Jar Jar. Can't wait to wear this fancy coat once it snows. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna show you of the closet. Now let's go to Andy's room. So this is Andy's room. Her bed's pretty soft. Over here she has some hooks on the wall for a sweatshirt or other clothes. She has a table next to her bed with some tea. I really like her flower rug. Here she has some laundry. And then back there she has a mirror. Over here she has a shoe rack and a coffee machine and some other stuff. Yeah, I was wondering where this purse went. Anyway, that's pretty much Andy's room. It's nice and cozy. So that's pretty much my house. I like the new living room a lot better than the old one. Hey Sabine, I'm ready to be in the video. Nick, I just finished the video. Oh, can I be in the end part? Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you thought and what kind of videos you want to see. Also follow us on Instagram. Bye.
Hey Sabine, what the?
Nick, can you get me down from here? I got caught in the trap that you set for yourself so you could look cool when you evaded it.
That's not why I set up the trap.
Yes, it is, Nick. Can you just get me down?